Come on, let's bust it. Oh my gosh, that looks so nice. Happy birthday.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
birthday.
I'm gonna be casting this. Come on, let's bust it.
Qué rico.
Come on. Benito! Oh, hey! That's one gnarly looking fish. No way! Yeah! Oh shit! I think it's another bonito! Oh! Oh! No! No, 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 no!
Gotta work for the both of us. Put you in the driver's seat.
I almost lost it! Wait, it's green. It's not blue, it's green.
When you gotta be, gotta worry when tomorrow comes.
Another one.
In the driver's seat.
Thanks, bro.
Gotta hurry now, cause we stay in control. In the name of love. In the name of love. In the name of love. We stay in control. In the name of
Yeah, 44. Another bonito. Look at the teeth on that. Shit. Alright. Little bunny.
Papi, dame más duro.
That's a bunny. Let's go! This monkey right here is my friend Nathan, and we did his channel together. The boys have gathered some money and we decided to surprise him with a birthday present.
If we don't opt in for it, I won't be.
I kind of messed up a bit.
Why?
I had a nosebleed and I didn't realise.
What?
Oh, What is this? What is this?
There's a white rod.
What? Oh!
Bro.
Oh, what?
That wasn't correct.
That's yours, bro.
Oh, is it an ice rod?
Yeah, man. Happy birthday.
Oh,
Happy birthday.
Hey.
Ah.
Oh, sick! Hey, thanks, boys. Thank you.
Everyone contributed.
Thank you.
22 years old.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday.
Oh, that's my
Oh,
fault.
for a second I was like, who owns the white rod? It's mine. I was like, who the heck owns the white rod? I was like, oh,
Must be mine.
does Stanley have a new rod I don't know about, you know?
And then you turned around with all the cameras.
I was like, oh! Thank you. Appreciate you guys.
Oh, what's bro?
Thank you.
One of them.
Thank you. Oh my god. I've been bitten everywhere by these little whatever. Look at this.
Where?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yeah, bro. Like, I've been getting them over my freaking leg as well.
Oh wow, this bruh, this is so annoying. 1,
Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
You got
8.
so many here.
I did.
Can I see? Can I see?
Shit, that's actually so many.
Yeah.
Bro, what the hell are these?
I don't
Look at
know.
my fingers.
Oh my
Oh, my fingers
god.
are.
Yeah, it's in here.
It's like we got chicken
Does
pox.
anyone know what these are? Let us know. Oh. Damn, there's chickens here. There's so many flies here. Stay still. Holy crap, look at all those flies. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Oh my lord!
Circle hop. How's it going?
No action whatsoever.
Huh?
Absolutely no action whatsoever.
What happened? What happened?
We caught 5 things today, and they're all raised. Oh, a singular fish.
Just throwing McDonald's. There's nothing to cook.
I'm gonna put a flash on. Yo, that's sick.
Whoa, this is my first time seeing it like this.
That's actually sick.
Oh, it's running away.
So right now, we are walking right to the beach in our accommodation. Accommodation's there, beach is there. Yeah? Come on, James. Have some dinner.
Come on. Please just stop bending.
Straight up.
Just stop bending over.
Absolutely no action whatsoever.
Come on. Are you on? Oh yeah. Oi. I don't know, the other side too. Maybe. Whoa! 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 Let's go! Yeah. Oh my gosh, it is great. Let's go. Oh my god, bro.
Playing a part, yeah, left me stunning. All of these things I never knew I wanted. Deep down, I probably always saw it coming. But I let go,
No way! What was that?
touch
Oh!
goes. Deep down, I probably always saw it coming.
Oh my god! Oh! Holy shit! Bro! Oh my god! Oh yes! Holy shit, bro! That's easy, bro! That's easy, bro! Oh my god! Oh! Holy shit! Let's go! What?
It's complying.
Take the dinosaur.
He's a 60cm dinosaur. Oh shit, the guy.
Oh, fish on!
Fish on, fish on!
What is that?
1.575. Sheesh. That's crazy, man. Sheesh.
3, 2, 1.
Sheesh. Oh.
Oh.
3,
2,
1.
sheesh. Oh.
3, 2, 1. Sheesh.
Go!
Excuse me, sir, you cannot be recording here at this wall.
Shut the fuck.
Sir, if you...
So what are we doing right now?
Go f yourself.
Why do you have like half a glasses?
Okay.
Yo, that's one.
Look how gross the spatula looks. That's why I didn't want to use it. Oh.
melting prawns
That
now.
was a fish, bro. I would go with this one straight away.
Right? Oh shit! Yeah, f him up!
What do you need, sorry?
Nothing. You're useless.
Wow, look at that.
You better eat it or else I'll kill you.
And guess what? I can't even play anything, so I'm done.
No way!
I literally can't play anything.
Are you testing me? Are you testing